Hello everyone and welcome back to our next video. So in our first video we have talked about what are the different certifications plans we have in Azure if you are starting your journey into the cloud side. Now in our second video we are going to talk about with respective to Google Cloud. So in Google Cloud, what are the certifications that you can plan if you are new to GCP or you are planning to build your career in GCP side. So here we are going to talk about GCP related certifications that we have. So GCP has divided their certification in three different categories: foundational level, associate certification and professional certification. So let's talk about first foundational certification. Foundational certification is basically fundamental level certificate that is going to make you comfortable with related to cloud terminology. Like it will give you some background about the cloud, how it is going to be work, what is different services, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, and then different type of cloud. You have public, private, hybrid, and this digital leader is going to give you all the idea how your cloud is going to work, like scaling up, digital transformation, modernizing the infrastructure, how it is going to be work. So basically the fee of your foundational certification is $99, and currently this certification is available in English and Japanese language, and the exam length is approx 90 minutes where you will get 50 to 60 questions that will be as MCQ. So you can go for online method or you can go for offline proctor exam as well. So you just need to create your profile and simply you can schedule your exam in the foundational certification. Then the next one we have is the associate level of certification. In associate level certification, it is going to give you idea with related to your how you can build your project in GCP side as a cloud engineer, where you are going to understand all the different services, and you are going to receive all the fundamental understanding on the GCP related. So this is purely on the GCP services that we have and how you are going to provision. So it will give you idea how you can set up cloud solution, how you can plan and configure your cloud solution, how you can deploy your cloud services, and how you can maintain the security, access part. Everything is going to be covered in associate level of certification. And if we talk about the length of the exam is basically 2 hours, and the registration fee for this exam is basically $125, and you can go for this certification. It's available in 3 to 4 different languages: English, Japanese, Spanish and Portuguese. And also it will get, you will give here 50 to 60 questions as a MCQ. Simply you can book online or offline exam while going into cloud digital engineer or cloud associate engineer certifications program, and you can get all the syllabus or curriculum that is going to be covered from GCP official website itself. I have also collected all this information from their official website itself, but to summarize in one single page, I am just giving the idea what are the certifications you can plan. Then here the third one we have is the professional certification. Professional certification is specifically for your job role or from which domain you are. On that basis you can plan. Like I am coming from architect background, or I am coming from data background, I am coming from data scientist or AI background. So with respective to that you can choose on the specific functional area. Because within GCP itself we have a multiple services are available, but you are not going to use all the services. You are going to be focused more on the specific your domain expertise services. So here you can plan the certificate that is going to be come under your expertise area, or maybe you are currently working or you are planning to go in those domain. So it is going to give you idea to validate your skills or to do the certification in the specialization for in these specific domain. So first one you have is the cloud architect. That will give you a depth experience or depth idea about the architect level, how you are going to design the solution. Like I need to migrate my services, migrate my data from on-premises or from different cloud to GCP side. So how as an architect you are going to provide the solutions. Then next you have is the cloud database engineer, where you are going to see as a database how you want to configure, manage the access, and what are the best practices you are going to be followed. Then you have a cloud developer. As of now, when I'm recording this session, that time it is in beta, but maybe if in the future you can see there are more exam will be visible on the same screen on GCP official website. You can also refer. So cloud developer that they are recently introducing, this is currently in beta phase. And then data engineer, here you have a professional data engineer certification that is going to give you entire data engineering related services that is available on GCP side. Like you have a BigQuery, Cloud Spanner, or Dataflow, or Bigtable, cloud storage, all the different level of services, how you can configure, use, and in what scenario you're going to use that. I'll try to put some videos also, as I have recently prepared for this data engineer certifications as well. Then the next one we have is the cloud DevOps engineer. It's going to be more focused into the DevOps section, how you can go for the CI/CD and building the pipelines, test plan, repo, setting up, integrating the DevOps with your project is a best practice. So this is also your DevOps engineer. Then security engineer or network engineer, where how you're going to implement the end-to-end security, encryptions, networking. So you can go for these specialization courses or specialization certifications over here. Then you have Google Workspace Administrator. It is going to focus mostly into your workspace admin related part, where as an administrator how you can follow the business objective to use by Google Workspace, how you can configure policy, security related to user content and everything in the Google Workspace is going to be covered. And after that, here you have a machine learning one. So it's going to be more focused into the ML section, where as a machine learning engineer how you are going to use all those services and how you going to build your machine learning models, how you can create some auto machine learning model or customized model, endpoint setting up and everything, that you can see a deep dive or a depth knowledge in the machine learning engineer. So foundational one is very fundamental one. Associate you can see mid-level, but professional certification need very good expertise, and where you are going to see a depth knowledge on this specific area or specific domain that is going to purely focus with respect to those services, your domain related services into the GCP. So all the professional certifications are available for $200 plus taxes. And the length for this exam is 2 hours, approx 120 minutes, and you will get 50 to 60 MCQ kind of question where you need to select. Here also you can go for online or offline, and mostly these professional certifications are available in English and Japanese language. So accordingly you can schedule and book this. But yeah, going forward you will see it is going to be available in different languages also. But yes, benefit of going for these standard certification that has been introduced by these different cloud provider like GCP and Google on or Microsoft side, that will make your profile highlight, where although you have a project experience, but in your resume it is going to be make an impression when as a recruiter anybody is going to saw your profile that okay, you are certified data engineer, you are certified cloud architect. So yeah, you can definitely plan for these certification, and you can simply go for a GCP official website, and then over there you can simply check okay, these are the different certifications that you have. I will put these link also in YouTube video that you can simply go ahead and you can register, and let me know for which certifications you are planning, and I'll share my input also with you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our next video. So in our first video we have talked about what are the different certifications plans we have in Azure if you are starting your journey into the cloud side. Now in our second video we are going to talk about with respect to Google Cloud. So in Google Cloud, what are the certifications that you can plan if you are new to GCP or you are planning to build your career in GCP side. So here we are going to talk about GCP related certifications that we have. So GCP has divided their certification in 3 different categories: foundational level, associate certification, and professional certification. So let's talk about first foundational certification. Foundational certification is basically fundamental level certificate that is going to make you comfortable with related to cloud terminology.